Cheers guys, how's it going? Sadly I got an engine back. It doesn't work properly. I have to check out what it is. It's a 2011, one of these old sucker engines. Tried my best, did even grind the big engine half. Still doesn't work. So we'll see what's going on. And why not trying two things? Number one, using a motor stand. I don't like these things, so let's give it another go, because this one is really good. It's from 10-inch. And number two, how long do I need to open up an engine? With a counter in this corner or in this corner? We'll see. Cheers guys. I'm gonna go into music mode. We do need music before scootering workshop stuff, don't we? First music, then Vespa, in my case. I am gonna put all the tools I need to open up an engine in this box here, and then afterwards we're gonna check what is actually needed. That does not look good. I tried a lot. It's still completely black. Oh god. Like this. Man. What do we need now? This. Let's check. Open. Yeah, very good. Good to open. And how do you open an engine? It's fine to use a hammer, a rubber hammer or a plastic hammer. And there are two spots you can hit on it. That's here. And it is here. Because there it is quite strong, so it's okay to just knock a bit. But let's first. Often it just helps. You use the fingers to press here at the bottom, this direction, and just knock a bit here. Let's see if it works. No, it does not. We did remove all bolts. We did. Does allow to use a bigger condenser. That's what we call it in German. überzeuger, convincing. Just a bit, not brutal. And you see that the gap opens. That's what we need. Always take care of the piston that it does not hook in. You will crack the piston skirt. There we go. That was it. Told you I'm going to collect all the tools I need for opening an engine, so what is it? A big cross screwdriver, 11 socket, small ratchet, big extension. Okay, I'm gonna look that up, what it's called. The puller for the flywheel and a 19 nut. That was it. To open up an engine, it's not much. Jeez, guys. Desperado tequila beer. How's life? I did prepare something. Stuff. Clutch stuff. Because yes, the old one and stuff and so on. Because I guess it's time for a small clutch guide. A guide. The recommendation what is technically actually needed for Vespa tuning. Not only what looks cool or is important, or shops which are profit oriented do want to tell us what's needed. Just simple, back to the roots. What do you need for your Vespa tunings? And this is what we're gonna do now. Sure, you can use a Ferrari to go through the city if you have enough money, but you do not really need it. Also, a cheaper car will do the job, and it is exactly the same with a clutch. You do not need a fancy clutch for 700-800 euros. Spoiler alert. That's the conclusion of this video. You can also use the simple standard available clutches, and I'm gonna tell you what you have to take care of, the strengths, the weaknesses, and at the end you will get a rating based on wheel horsepower, which clutch can bear how many horsepower. So let's do it.
Bist du deppert? Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert? Ist das ein Biest jetzt?